All right, guys. So now I'm on the other side of the river. I'm pretty happy to see this. I saw an excavator when I flew with the drone on the other side to see what was going on. I could see a machinery parked in the property, and it's a Kubota excavator with forestry mulcher. And so they started work. Let me flip this around. So the power is coming down there. It goes down, crosses the river, and the road is on the other side of the river. So it crosses here to supply a tower, a cellular tower up here. And they're going to be hooking up and going there. So they need 5 meters of free space so that the tree line doesn't hit the line, the power line. So I'll just drive around. I'll just drive along the street here and show you. I've got about 900 meters to do to supply the whole property with the 19 lots. So I'll show you. The street here goes there for the side of the river, the houses that are going to be there, and it'll go where you can see the flags way down there, and it goes up here. The property continues there. Forestry mulcher. Sherex is a very good brand out here in Quebec. I'm pretty happy. So they're going to be going all across here, going up there. Going to go here all the way down to the lots down below, so it can serve each side of the street here for everybody that'll have houses. goes way down there. So there's another dead-end street here that goes and supplies some other lots down there. Quite a view though. Look at that mountain. So on this side here, people have a view of the mountains, and on the other side they have the view of the river. So that's it, guys. This is the famous gator, 12-year-old gator with the tracks still going strong. I'll post another video on the ride going up on the property, and stay tuned and have a good one. Bye.